In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access my Etrade account. By the end, you'll feel confident getting to your account dashboard quickly and securely. First, open the site. Use a modern, up-to-date browser for the best experience. In the address bar, type the official Etrade website address rather than relying on search results. This helps you avoid lookalike pages. Once the page loads, glance at the address bar for the secure padlock icon and make sure the URL looks correct. If you're on a mobile device, you can use your phone's browser the same way. Consider bookmarking the login page on your personal device so you can return to it easily in the future. Next, click Log On. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the page on desktop. On smaller screens, you may first need to open a menu icon before you see the Log On option, but it should still be near the top area of the site. If the layout looks slightly different due to updates, just look for the familiar Log On or Sign On wording. Now enter your user ID and password. Type them carefully, as both fields are usually case sensitive. If you use a password manager, let it fill these securely to avoid typos. If you're typing manually, double check for stray spaces and make sure caps lock isn't on. It's a good idea to sign in only on a trusted network and device. Avoid copying and pasting from notes that might include extra spaces, and never share your credentials with anyone. If you're asked for a security code, complete it. This is a standard extra verification step to protect your account. You might receive the code by text, email, an authenticator app, or a security device you've set up. These codes are time limited, so open the message right away and enter the numbers exactly as shown. If a code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and check your signal or internet connection. You can usually request a new code if the previous one expires. Treat these codes like your password. Keep them private. Once your details are accepted, you're in and your dashboard will load. Give it a moment, especially if this is your first sign in on a device, and then you should see your account overview. From here, you can review balances, recent activity, watch lists, and positions, or navigate to other tools as needed. If anything looks unfamiliar after logging in, verify you're on the official site and consider refreshing the page. That's it. Open the site, click Log On, enter your user ID and password, complete the security code if prompted, and your dashboard appears. Take your time, keep your information secure, and you'll be ready to manage your account with confidence.